Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sophia Enoch, and today I'm going to be showing you how to animate this very logo on Figma and Canva. So here in Figma, all you need to do now is get your logo you'd like to animate and then put it on a frame. Here's how to put it on a frame. Click on the frame icon and then set it to any size you'd like to use it on. Then the next thing to do is duplicate this very frame, right? Duplicate this very frame. I do this by holding my hotkey down and then pressing my left mouse button together. Duplicate this frame and make sure every frame you're duplicating is the same size. So right here where you have in 1756 to 1574. Yeah, so just duplicate it to like the amount you like to have this thing shared into, right? So it depends on what you're actually working on. So straight up for now, we do not need this third in here. We just need to start ungroup this so that I can share them appropriately. So what we need to do now, because we're doing the rise effect now on Canva, it is called the rise effect.